Good morning, friends. I'm gonna make a video about these metallic colored pencils by Derwent. It's a set of 12 and they're water soluble. It comes with this metallic box, which I like because they're protected, and the colors smell really good. It's like this very artistic woody smell, very, when you go to an art store and there's this amazing smell, it just smells like this. So I'm gonna test them for you, and I'm gonna tell you how I feel about them. First of all, I have this Derwent Metallic Silver 80, and let's see. They're very soft and super pigmented, and this is light. I would need to see them with artificial lighting to see how metallic they are. It's not very obvious with this light. This one is, I don't know how to read this name, Pewter, I don't know, 81, and it's like a beige silver darker color. You can see how incredibly smooth and pigmented they are. And that's much because they're water soluble. This one is called Gold 82. Let's see the color. Really smooth and creamy too. I think for the shine with the metallics need to be artificial light because there's a subtle metallic-y reflection. It's not like the gel pens, but they're excellent quality. And this one is called Antique Gold 83, and it's like a brownish tip. You can tell that this one is more of a grayish gold, and this one is more almost greenish gold, and this one is more of a reddish gold. This one is called Bronze number 84. To me, there are like three kinds of very similar golds, going from the greenest to the reddest. This one is called Pink number 88 with this tip. And none of them is super shiny metallic, but I'm pretty sure in artificial light they are actually metallic, because I tested them yesterday and it was at night time, and they are actually really metallic. So this one, it's called Red number 87. It looks more like a pink, almost salmon pink here. They're all very soft and pigmented. This one, it's the number 89 in purple. They're nice, really elegant, really subtle colors, very soft and calming colors. This is the green number 91 with this tip. This one is so soft. It's more like a bluish green. This one of my favorites, it's number 85, Copper. This one is really soft too. It looks brown on the paper, but it actually has very beautiful shine. It is a subtle shine, not overly shiny, but with artificial lighting it does really shine when you move the paper. This one is called Yellow 86, and it's more like an olivey greenish yellow, almost lime mixed with ochre. And this one is called Blue 90, and it is really dark and pigmented and soft with this tip. now I'm gonna show you how they actually become water solid. Oh, I think I had pigment from something else in the brush. Sorry about that. Let's see this one. They're really good. The pigment smelled. Instantly. Very, very good. As you can see, I can really expand the color. But I can tell that they already lose their shine when you mix them with water. They're gonna lose the shine, but they're so gorgeous, the colors. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this very short video of testing these Derwent metallic color pencils, and I see you for next